Let's get this show going, man. Oh man, it's wet. It is super wet out, man. Hopefully it gets a little drier when we get over there. We're waiting for everybody to catch up. Oh man, let's get it going. So this is so clean, bro. We got the M1K 2026 and we got the 2025 S1K right next one, man. They're insane. Such beautiful bikes, man. And the shift pops are crazy, man. They're so crisp. Yo! I hope that guy got some good pictures, man. He was hanging out the window with a big camera. Oh, that guy's crazy. I think there's a stop sign up here somewhere. We are almost there, man. Almost there, man. I'm excited. We haven't had one of like a meet like this in a while, so I'm hoping there's some cool stuff. We used to go to FGC meets all the time, but like I said, it has been a while because so now they're back in school, if I'm not mistaken, so they should be doing these more often, and hopefully it's pretty good and we get a good turnout. We'll see. Oh, it's hot though, man, sitting here. Oh really? Bro, fucking everybody got visor, bro?
I had it down when I put it up right now.
Oh shit. Dude, oh my god, it's hot, bro. Oh, a car got stuck. A car got stuck, that's what it was. Bro, a car was stuck on the speed bump. That's what's holding the traffic. They were pushing it off. That thing is so beautiful. That M1K is beautiful. I'm not going over that thing. You always got to be careful in parking garages It is so slippery, man. You have to be very careful. Oh! 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 Finally pulling up, but I want to park on the other side because it's pretty packed over here. Gotta do my little pop in and get everybody out the way. Oh my god, it's so hot. Let me take off this camera, I'll pick it right back up. And we have made it to the FGCU meet with all of the bikes. It's a huge turnout. It's the first meets that the FGCU has been back here. And we've got all the Beamers lined up. What a beauty to see. And everybody lined up right here, man. So clean. Bunch of people popping out. I think that's an older than ZX10. Everybody's popping. Oh, we got Carlos with the gsxr finally making it around. This thing sounds amazing with the new Rocks exhaust on it. It's crazy. Let's take a look. Got the H2 back out here. Got a bunch of bikes, man. A bunch of bikes. Ooh, hold up. Just look at this thing. Got a stretch gsxr 1K. Take a look at this thing. Stretch gsxr 1K. Full roll race out, everything. It's even got a carbon windscreen. This thing is insane. One brake rotor, lowered, stretched, and everything. This thing's beautiful. Whole bunch of bikes. This color is crazy. I wonder if it's wrapped as paint. Might be paint. Looks crazy. You don't see a lot of bikes like that. That's cool.
No, he lives here. I just don't know.
Yo, that book bag is hilarious. Another 2025 S1K.
I'm $3,000 away from the finish.
There you go, bro. Alright, so like I said earlier, when it was strapped down, look how close it is to the front fender when it's strapped down, bro. Insane. Insane. I need to get straps just so I can look cool like this guy. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how it looks all the way strapped down. It's crazy. We're about to go grab some grub because everybody is hungry. Why is everybody yelling? Oh, that's him yelling. Dude, that guy was getting so mad that people were revving. Oh my god. Bro. Oh no, dude. Oh my goodness, bro. They're crazy, man. They're crazy. Yo, the mega cab. Oh my goodness, that thing's clean. Alright, YouTube, this is gonna be the end of the video. We just finished up eating. Now we're all headed home. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit that bell notification bell. That way you don't miss any videos. And until next time, bye.